Good morning and welcome to a new video. This video might be quite special because, as you can see, we're on a trip along the Côte d'Azur. We've been around for 4 days now, but let's start at the beginning. If you also always pack up last minute right before leaving, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I wish that would always go that fast, but back to traveling now. And hello to our new home for the next 2 to 3 weeks. First stop, it's 12:37. We're in Venezia or something, I don't know exactly. Took a quick coffee break, got some orange juice. The boys are asleep. First stop is supposed to be Portofino. It's about 4 hours ahead of us. I hope I'm going to make it until like 7-8 in the morning with a quick sleeping break. See you in Portofino. Wo sind wir hier eigentlich ungefähr?
Where did we land, Mikey?
Huh?
Where did we land, Mikey?
In Portofino.
Oh wow, look at this. Sunrise in Portofino.
I promised.
Oh.
We had a pretty long drive. It took us about 8 hours to get here. Headed out yesterday at 10 p.m. I drove all the way through until now, 6 a.m. in the morning.
Not tired yet?
A little bit now, but I wasn't tired while driving. I don't know why, but I wasn't. Maybe it's because I'm so young. We're heading into the city, Portofino now. Right now we're a little bit outside of Portofino because you can't go in there by yourself with the car. The streets are way too narrow, so there are buses that bring people in and out the whole time. Even they have the biggest struggle to not crash into each other. There's literally that much space between them sometimes. It's pretty fun to see. So we just made it into the center of Portofino, as you can see right behind me. It's pretty chilled, there are not too many people right now, but it's still in the morning. It's 8:30 right now, and now we're looking for some place to grab some breakfast and coffee, because I'm getting tired right now. Coffee, breakfast, another coffee.
Such a lovely city, right?
It's so beautiful. We just had breakfast and 2 double espresso because we're still super tired. I'm super tired, I don't know how you feel. And now we're going to discover Portofino. And then we're gonna head back to the car, take a little nap, jump into the water, and yeah. Just arrived here in Monaco. This is our third stop. We've been at Portofino first, then we've been to Menton, and now we're here in Monaco. It's way too hot, it's like 35 degrees. We're about to head out again. I haven't been here for long, just a few hours to see, because we've been here often enough. So we just wanted to check in and see if there are a lot of cars around and stuff. And yeah, Christoph is driving around because he wasn't able to find something to park because the car is way too big. So now we're going to Jean Cap Ferrat, and after that to Saint-Tropez. And what's going to happen after Saint-Tropez, we don't know exactly. One option is going to Ibiza or Mallorca, or we go down to Spain, like Marbella and stuff, but we don't know now. We're going to figure it out soon.
So this is pistachio and raspberry pie, strawberry pie, sorry. Raspberry pie, tiramisu, Snickers, cheesecake, mango pie.
Christoph, where are we going? Ai negro se cappuccino. Ah, Portofino. How beautiful is this view?
Jean
Cap Ferrat. A super beautiful, calm place. About 30 minutes after Monaco. It's so hot, isn't it?
It is. Mikey, I actually have a job opportunity for you.
Tell me. I'm super interested in this opportunity.
Mikey is always very excited about my job opportunities.
Always.
I offer you 100 euros if you just go up here with your skateboard and speed down with no brake and make it through this curve.
Of course. Are you gonna bring me to the hospital?
No. Jean?
Saint-Jean Cap Ferrat.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, monsieur. Tu t'appelles Mike? No, sorry. Je m'appelle Mike. Tu t'appelles Chris.
Mikey, what are we up to?
We are heading out to Saint-Tropez right now. So
We're heading to what?
we are heading out to Saint-Tropez.
Saint-Tropez.
Yes, we're going to Saint-Tropez. We should be there in, I'd say, 2 hours, huh?
Nice.
Yes. So, see you in Saint-Tropez. And good morning, Saint-Tropez. We arrived yesterday evening, just went to dinner and then to bed. We were so tired. It's so hot here, you have no idea. So we worked on our plan and we thought about going down to Barcelona today and then take a ferry to Ibiza. Ferry should take us about 8 hours. The drive to Barcelona, how long is the drive to Barcelona from here? It's 8 hours. Or 6 to 8 hours from here to Barcelona. So I'm on the beach here in Saint-Tropez right now, and I thought I'd take the minute and answer some questions. I put a story up on my Instagram where I said I'm going to answer 3 questions in my next YouTube video. First question, shout out to you, Dominic. How did you deal with the self-struggle when starting your business or YouTube? Well, in my case, I never really, or I did, but let's say that way I stopped caring in a very young age what other people think about me, because if you want to please everyone, you're gonna please no one. And people always talk, people are gonna, there is no case, it doesn't matter what you're wanting to do. Everyone that has ever started something had to deal with that in some way, because people just talk and they're always gonna do that. And you also have to ask yourself, why do they talk? And most of the time, if they talk or they laugh at you, it's because you do something or you have something that they want, but they think they can't get it. Of course they could get it, everyone can do everything. But yeah, people just simply think it's not possible for them, and then they have to laugh at you and talk shit about you. But yeah, there's a French saying that's called "c'est la vie," and it means that's life. So just don't think about it too much and chase your dreams. So I'd say that's a wrap for my second video or my second vlog. There's gonna be a part 2 coming out next week about this trip, because we're in Barcelona now and we decided not to go to Ibiza, but we are going to Mallorca today with the ferry. So you can definitely be excited for my next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media, linked here. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.